Hi buddy, good morning. Today, daily challenge, cheesy diet. The hint is said reorder some foods. Now, first of all, let's start with the usual. Inspect, register. Um, 1, 2, 3, that, and then you register. First of all, first thing you notice is you have this one. Let's open another window so I can see it. So if I do an order now and follow the steps as a normal app, you have a checkout, you do the checkout, you have promo code here, so it tell you apply. If I apply there, so what exactly I have? Post request, it send that one, response, type person, discount. If you send again, will tell you even if you do that trick, you remember that trick we did before for multi-discount type of scenario? It will not accept it this time. It's protected than that one, I think. Invalid, so it doesn't accept that one, that trick, that the array trick. But basically, it's like it's applied for the amount. Discount value 20, discount amount 2.6 percentage. It's like it know the session, so you can't really bypass that part. But remember here, I already did a discount, so if I place my order, of course, wait for the order, and then you have the new button here, this reorder things. So if I click now in reorder, reorder disappears, order, new order there, and order is getting here a request. There is no request body, but it's a post request for some reason. So if I go now to that order, there's no body there. It just posts the endpoint order one reorder. Of course, there's no I do because if you do two, it doesn't, because it just what? Oh, we did it. If you do order doesn't exist, it will tell you not found. So, for example, remember the room it said you welcome to Founders Circle. As new customer, only enjoy 20% off code apply at checkout once per customer. So make it count. Apply it at checkout. Your first order. So this one we can't use it again. So if you go again in your order, for example, and apply again, and if I want to buy this one again and check out, if I apply this one again, it said me it will tell you error, you have already used this coupon, so we can't use it, but so we can't use it directly, but from this endpoint order not found, so we have one. If you send this one, we keep getting orders, so order number 4, and look what it says, counter using false, and it said you coupon code no. So the question is, can we do mass assignment and apply? Remember, from this one we can't use, you have already used your coupon, but here we can, for example, send a JSON, and the name here, what's the name? It call it uh, coupon code, so we can just use coupon underscore code and put the value found 0. Um, of course, if you send it like that, you would see nothing happen, but don't freak out because we need to use a content, because we threw in a JSON here, content type, and I have application JSON. So now let's see what happens if I send that one. Now I got your flag. Let's test that the double array if it does work. I'm not sure it's vulnerable or not. Let's test it. Invalid coupon code. So it doesn't accept the array, at least for now, for multi-code, but it'll accept. You can keep getting discounts for all your orders. So we got the flag, you keep getting the flag. So the idea is a mass assignment in copying code. The application check the code. Here you have already used your coupon, but in this endpoint, the reorder endpoint doesn't check. You can submit to discount and you can use it and get your flag for today. Thank you everybody and have a good week.